Welcome back guys to Hazard Gaming. Please subscribe and like. Guys, like the video and subscribe if you want legendary scar and RPG out of your first chest. So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Hazard Gaming, and today I'm gonna do a video by doing 1v1ing my brothers. So like we can use any weapon we want. This is a BHE 1v1 build fight. The map code I will put in the afterwards I will put. And yep, you can take any weapons you want, like any shotgun, any AR, anything. And listen guys, and there is a giveaway that I am gonna do. I will gift anything like 200 V-Bucks, anything to a person who wants. And if you want, you should comment your epic name down in the comments. And okay, and there is a little bit of problem, like my brother's controller got glitched, so he's restarting the game. We will start until he comes. Yep. And there is no heals allowed in this challenge because heals will be like unfair. Do you want weapons? Come here. Guys, this is a very good map. You can support the BHE SKB means. Come here. Did he get? Oh, yep. And I'm gonna practice for that time. And this will be a best of 5. So this is me guys on controller, not on PC, not on mobile, on controller. Actually I connected my controller because I will do live streams on PS4 but not on not videos on PS, but I can do live stream on phones also if you guys want. Comment
if you want.
Yeah. If I get even one comment today, I will do live stream tomorrow. Tomorrow 2 PM EST. Yep. And today guys we tried another video but like it failed, so and it was not that good video, so it was not that good. It was a good content but like
build fights.
Yep. So that time Bhavik, Nevan,
Nevan?
yeah, tell Nevan to come here.
What? I am he's currently arranging his loadout, so wait. Let him arrange the loadout and we can pause this to record after he comes.
Yup.
Start.
Yeah, so guys,
Dude, can I take the
back.
LMG?
No LMGs. Yeah, miniguns are allowed. Yeah, the 1v1 started and as you guys see I'm cranking. And guys, my brother is a new player. He started 4 days ago. This guy is doing a lot of hard work. 1 like equals to 1 hard work. Appreciate. One like equals to 1 appreciation for this guy. If you can be happy. And I got hardcore games by like 10
Hardcore world.
Hardcore!
Don't use Hindi.
Guys tell Bhavik cannot. And as you guys see, I won the first game. So means that Bhavik and Nevan will do the 1v1. Whoever wins will fight me. This will be like 3 rounds. Yeah,
You got that side, man.
I'm gonna do a ranking and see what these guys do. And as you can see, Bhavik and Nevan. Oh my god, Nevan is straight up killing him. god, shield crack, both of them shields cracked. Who will win? And Nevan.
I don't want to play this game anymore. Don't want to play.
There is more rounds even.
This guy, yeah guys, this guy does not know how to build. He does know how to spam.
Then build. You have to build.
You have to build. You never build in your life. No, nothing.
One like equals to make Bhavik happy.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh my god.
I just missed the spam. Again. Should I rush him? He just fall down.
Getting at 5:39.
Oh my god, guys, did you see that? I'm dead. Oh my god. Guys, the first round Nevan won the game. As you guys can see. I just played for like fun, but now I'm gonna play it try hard, and this time me and Bhavik are playing.
I'm not knowing because I'm
Shut up! And that was a 200 pump of the bag, guys. So it means that Bhavik and Nevan are doing the 1v1 right now. Take the ball. And I'm just gonna play crank and see the match by then. And this time, guys, I'm not gonna lose. It is like fight. We have to do fight for the 5 times. We will see the changes. Oh my god, Nevan is straight ramping and Bhavik is cranking.
ramping and cranking.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And as you guys know, Nevan doesn't live in Hyderabad.
How does the guys know that?
Oh my god, leave it. And I don't know who is
He
who.
lives at Antarctica.
Oh, this is Bhavik and this is Nevan. He's doing like this. I will show you guys. See, Nevan is doing this.
That's the name of the mosquito.
Oh my god, Nevan is cranking like hard. And this is Bhavik. I just tried to slam him.
I know what to do.
I'm just kidding, I'm not.
Holy!
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Hey, it break down the build.
We can. Please, there is 5 more. Oh my god, so Bhavik is out of the challenge for. Oh.
Bye guys.
Bhavik left the challenge. He rage quitted. So guys, now I'm gonna do
Now I'm
like,
seeing the hazard. 20 subscribers. Congrats, sir.
20. I got 20 subscribers. Means 30 subscribers. And guys, 30 subscribers means, do you know what? Face
Face
reveal. Great face reveal. I will try a good face reveal.
Like Liza.
Liza.
In the CD. Yes, that controller he connected the controller from the phone, and it's lagging.
Yup. And as you guys saw that my recall was so good. 1 like equals to 1 that recall. Guys, did you see that lag? That was lag.
Welcome to Game Lag Season 1.
And guys, please subscribe to my both brothers' channels even. Link in the description. And please subscribe to GD Clan. Guys, like and subscribe until he comes. Oh my god, I was about to press the... Guys, if I hit this, you have to like and the video. And he got deleted. Oh my god. And these are the last... Yep.
Thank you.
And this is the last round. And this is the last round of the... And this is the last round.
Why did you delete all of your videos?
Yup, guys, I by mistakenly deleted all of my videos. Yes, guys, I deleted. And guys, like and subscribe if you want this cranking. And guys, in the last video, I saw that you guys loved my Roxanne montage, and that was so cool. You told that, and many people from other countries and some very like better than my channel, like 8,000 subs and I'm 20 subs. How they came to my channel and like they were telling me about the I did how good.
If you
like,
guys think
and I'm telling that they were better than me. And I really like people who tell. Even if I hit this, you have to like the video. Still like the video, guys. Guys, this is the last round. Bhavik, Nevan won 2, even I won 2. And this time I'm gonna be the full slippiest I've ever gone in my life. And now this guy is watching Mr. Beast. Guys, like the video until he comes up, please. Like I cranked a lot. And guys, please subscribe GT Clan, link in the description. And please guys, there is one more YouTube channel which I love to watch. And their YouTube channel name is FXP Gaming. Please subscribe to them even. And I won the kill race! 220 and I'm building my stage for the winner. And this is for Bhavik. This is for Nevan. I'm first.
One contestant will be
Rage quit.
Look at this dude.
Okay, so Nevan will see my screen.
No.
And guys, this is a Potolium something like this. And guys, it is. Oh my god, this guys. Mine is lagging. Why did you do that, mummy? Okay guys, this will happen and only one time I'm gonna 220 pump this guy and thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you want 220 pumps, if you want pumps to unvault. Bye bye.